Arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Bighorn. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT, STD, billet silver metallic clear coat, diesel gray black premium cloth bucket seats included, full-length upgraded floor console power lumbar adjust folding flat load floor storage 115-volt auxiliary power outlet bucket seats rear 60/40 split folding seat power 10-way driver seat, wheels, 20-inch x 8 inches aluminum chrome clad, STD, rear window defroster, quick order package 27S Bighorn included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, cluster 7.0 inches TFT color display steering wheel mounted audio